Introducing Veryfront Figma Kit, a fast and easy way for designers to build websites. The Veryfront Figma Kit is a Figma library with a set of ready-made components for fast page building. Let's quickly create a new product page. Now we insert a few components. Let's customize the page to our needs. We enable auto layout, change all components to dark mode, detach the components and tweak the background color. For the hero, we choose a slightly different color. Okay, great. Now let's add content. Let's start by replacing images. Let's replace the text. Awesome. The page looks great, ready for development.